Hi everyone, this is a tutorial which will walk you through how to apply for the mentorship program for NeurIPS 2020. From the Climate Change AI website, under the Events tab, click on NeurIPS 2020. This will take you to the overview page for the workshop, which contains a range of information. But to learn more about the mentorship program, click on the mentorship program link here, which will take you through some information, including when deadlines are and expectations for the workshop. You can see the applications are due by August the 25th, and you can click on this link here. Once you log in, it will take you to an overview page, which looks like this. And from here, you click on Create New Submission. Once you land on the Create New Submission page, you'll be asked to enter a title and abstract. This is information that is viewable to potential mentors. So make sure you include as much information as you can within the character limit. Your abstract should summarize your project and also the kinds of feedback that you are looking to receive from a mentor. Following this, you'll be asked to choose some subject areas, one primary subject area and as many secondary subject areas as you feel necessary relating to the domains of both climate change and machine learning. The next few questions will be asking you questions specifically about your proposal. So question 1 is a build on from the abstract that you submitted above and should be no more than 400 words. You'll then be asked to explain machine learning and climate change relevance to your proposal. If you have any links to your proposal that you think would be helpful for us to see, then please do submit it. You'll then be asked a few questions around the feedback that your team would find useful from a mentor, and you can pick as many as you feel necessary. Elaborate on the choices that you've made and outline what else you hope to gain from a mentor. The next few questions are about your current role and whether you've engaged with climate change AI before and if you have any publication experience. Questions 10 to 14 are optional questions and you are not obliged to fill these in. However, the data that you do submit will be kept strictly confidential and will only be viewed by workshop organizers. The final statement is a statement of commitment, which you are asked to agree to. And once you've double-checked your application form to ensure you've filled out all of the required fields, you are free to submit. Insert any conflict of interest if applicable. You can see your submission summary here and you're able to edit your submission if necessary. And there, you've done your submission, and if you have any questions, please do get in touch with the team and we look forward to reading your submission soon. Thank you.